How y'all doing today? This is Kyle Jacko checking in from New York right now. Yes, big New York. Kind of chilly out here. It really ain't that hot. It's kind of cold. I don't really do coldness like that. But wherever my career carries me, trust me, I'm going to go. I want to give a special shout out to all of you that just been watching these videos, that's been just clicking the comments, liking them. I really do appreciate this, but just don't forget, always share the videos, man, because you never know, one of your friends, family, whoever could be going through something, and they might not want to talk to you about it, but one of these videos could go for something for their life. So make sure you share it on Facebook, Instagram, all social media. If you got to just go through your phone and just click people that you don't like or you do like, share them that way, because all these videos are for just everybody, because we all going through something. One of these videos might be for you. You might not like one of these videos, but one of these videos might help out somebody else in their life. So remember, always share them. Make sure you hit the like button. Make you subscribe, hit the bell. So whenever I drop a video, you already know when I drop it. Thank y'all again for just making this channel just grow and grow. And just think about, we doing everything on this channel just for positivity and motivation. We ain't doing no negativity. We just uplifting everybody. Want to give another special shout out to my little boo-boos that been watching my videos, my kids. I love y'all, but just make sure all my little Jacko kids, you cannot watch the video late at night because you're supposed to be asleep. Anytime in the daytime, thank you, my little boo-boos, for just watching daddy videos. To their moms, thank y'all for watching the videos sometime too. I really appreciate y'all. Shouts out to all my friends and family. I love all of y'all. But you know what it's time for? It's time to get into this motivational video. This motivational video, to me, is something that y'all should already know, but a lot of people sometimes don't get it. So we're gonna go over it again. Value your life. What I mean, add value to life, put value in your life. Think about if you only had $1 in your pocket and you have no other money at all, you only had $1. You would still cherish it because guess what? It's $1. You know what I'm saying? I think sometimes we get to a point where we get irritated, we get frustrated, and then we start complaining about the stuff that we don't have, but we don't look at what we do have. Like, I remember when I was struggling a little bit, this, that, and the other, and I remember the only thing I had in my house was noodles, you know what I'm saying? But whenever my kids came over, I turned them noodles into a presidential sweet lunch, you know what I'm saying? Because I was happy and I valued me just having these little noodles, you know what I'm saying? And that's like the little small things. But I tell people a lot, value what you have. Because what you have, you got to always think somebody don't have it. So if you got a house and you behind on mortgages, this, that, and other, this, that, and guess what? It's going to all change. But still, value is yours. You behind on your car payment. They might come get the car any other day. Guess what? It's still yours. God going to give you resources to get everything you got to go. But you have to go out there and do it yourself. That means pray, work hard. You know, the prayer and the work goes together, everything you do. But anything you want in life, you got to value it. So this life that you're at right now, you might not have all the money in the world. You might not have everything you want to have. But at the same time, guess what? It's still your life. You still woke up this morning to open your eyes to see another day. You know how many people that didn't wake up this morning? How many people that's going through worse situations? Your situation might be bad, but they got people that's going through something worse than that. Like with me, every time I go through something and I go through anything I go through, I always sit back and I always tell myself, it could be worse. They got some people that they can't get a job. They got some people that can't pay their child support. They got some people that can't just deal with a lot of stuff. And they're miserable right now. So why should I get mad and frustrated because I can't pay this phone bill or I can't pay this? Guess what? I know some type of way it's going to get paid. I don't know how it might happen. I'm not going around nobody. I'm not going to steal, cheat, sell drugs, none of that. But I know some type of way God's going to make a way. And if you're doing something, let's say you want something to do it in your life, and let's say it's not happening in the time that you want it to happen, you gotta look at it like this. Probably that wasn't your blessing. Probably you were trying to hold on to something that wasn't yours. Sometimes we all love to do that. We love to hold on to stuff that's not us. We love to hold on to relationships that we know should have been over. We want to hold on to a relationship because we don't want to feel alone. Being alone is not a bad thing. Sometimes being alone is a good thing because you can find yourself. That's why I'm still single to this day. I'm finding myself every single day. And I know eventually God's going to bring somebody in my life to help mold it and create it. But until he does, I got to keep on being positive. You have friendships with people that, you know, they always get you in trouble, but you love them so much, you don't want to let them go. So sometimes you get in trouble along with the other person. But you can't allow that right there, because guess what? If you choose to do that and you choose to keep people in your circle that's not in your circle, your value goes down. And why I say your value goes down, because if you're a positive person, you looking at life and you want to move like this, you don't need people that's going to bring you down. And sometimes what we have, that's why I'm on social media. If you know me, I don't really post nothing on really social media. I don't think I posted positive posts. I don't get all into reading down my whole timeline, see what this person got going on. I got my own life to worry about. In my own circle, I got kids to worry about, family, friend. I got some of this stuff to worry about. I can't concentrate on somebody else's value on their life. All thing I can do is value what I have in my life. I know God got something for me. And I know as long as I keep on going positively, everything else is going to be good. But the people that I know that's going through stuff, what I do, I might read a post and I pray for them. I pray for their success. So if I know them personally, I'll call them and I'll speak to them. But you have to worry about what's in your life. That's your value. That right there builds and grows and does everything, but you have to represent your value. Like your value is you. Who could treat you better than you? You got to always trust the process when it comes to your life. When it comes to your life, you only get one life to live. So why would you sit up here and complain and be frustrated when you know eventually something gonna change? It always does. Well, think about it in your whole life. Everything you went through, whether good or bad, something always had to change. It couldn't stay the same. It always had to change. That's the way you got to keep on looking at your life. But y'all know I love y'all. I just want to come and give you this video. I hope you love this video. Make sure if you love this video, share it to people in your phone. Share it to your haters, because they're going to be your motivators. Share it on social media. Share it everywhere, because everybody needs something positive in their life. We deal with so much negativity all the time. We don't need that. We all got to grow. So I hope y'all love this. But you know what it's time for. Y'all already know. If y'all just getting there, and y'all wonder why I take out my glasses, these glasses are really prescribed because I really can't see. So right now I can see y'all a little bit, but I really can't see that well. But I take on my glasses because I want to pray for y'all before y'all stop watching my video. So hopefully y'all didn't hit the stop button. Hopefully y'all still watching. God, thank you for everything you're doing in our life. Thank you for just taking care of us, letting us wake up every single morning, letting us see another day, letting us know as long as we trust in you, God, anything is possible, God. Anybody that's going through any sickness, any death, or any struggle right now, God, what I want you to do is, God, just keep on keeping them in your kingdom. Keep on putting them on the right path. Keep on letting them know as long as they trust you, God, anything is possible, God. God, I thank you for everything you do in our life, God. I pray for everybody watching this video, even people that's not watching this video, God. I pray for the world. God, thank you for everything you do in our life. Amen. But I want you to have a blessed day. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. Make sure you share this video. Remember, keep a smile on your face. You only got one life to live. It's no point of living it miserably, being mad at the next person. You got one life. Enjoy your life. Smile at your life. Enjoy the value. Enjoy it, because it's going to continue to keep on growing. It's never going to slow down. Anything you're going through right now, trust me, God will take care of it. But remember, put the prayer with the work. Neutral reverse drive. Always put your car in drive. And you always sit on the passenger side, let God take the wheel. You have a blessed day.